So hello guys, step 1 is to create our project for our BDD test. So I have created an empty folder and I have given a name BDD test, and I have just opened it in my Visual Studio Code. And the step 1 is to initialize our project with npm init. So let's do it. So let's type npm init, and now we can leave the package name by default. Version, again, we can leave version as 1. And description, now let's give it some short description. For example, Cypress with cucumber examples. We can leave entry point as well, and test command we can leave it empty for now. We are not using it. And let's now add some keywords. So Cypress, BDD, cucumber, I think that's reasonable. And author, again, you can fill your name or don't if you don't want to. License, we can leave it like this, and type yes to save it. And again, you should see package.json. And the step 2 is to actually install dependencies. So for this project we will need two. One is Cypress and one is Cypress Cucumber preprocessor. So let's install them. So npm install Cypress and Cypress Cucumber preprocessor. Like this. So hit enter. And just wait until everything is downloaded and installed. So let me clear this. And now if you look into the dependencies, you should see Cypress, and you should see Cypress Cucumber preprocessor. So yeah, we are almost ready. So let's continue with the setup of Prettier in the next video.